This video is brought to you by Noom. Hey salam, I hope you guys are well. Halal Trip is back with another video, and this time I'm making lamb and rice. The lamb is going to be slow cooked with a spice mix called bizarre. It's going to be so flavorful and tender. I'm going to serve our lamb with an Arabian style rice and my favorite sauce. Trust me, you're really going to enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're going to start with our bizarre spice mix. And with the black peppercorns, coriander seeds, cassia bark, whole cloves, cumin seeds, and with a green cardamom, nutmeg for some great aroma, and we got some fennel seeds, and finally some red chili. And now we're gonna toast our spices to maximize their flavor and release their beautiful aroma. Toasting the spices would also help in blending, so make sure you do it. And I'll transfer the spices into a blender, and with the turmeric and some garlic. Now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Alright, let's have a look. Now remove all the spice mix, and with your favorite herbs, the amazing saffron. Finally a good touch of salt. Now give that a really good mix and set aside. Our amazing bizarre spice mix done. Now for the lamb, I'm using leg of lamb. You could use lamb shoulder or any other cut of your choice. First of all, you want to lightly score this with the help of your knife so we can penetrate those spices. The best part of this lamb dish is that it can be eaten on special occasions. And I add a good touch of oil on there. With the help of your hands, massage that. And now in with your spice mix. Make sure to cover all sides. This lamb is going to be so delicious and so tender. And now this is the perfect time to let rest for at least a few hours or overnight for more flavor. Grab yourself a baking paper, place thick slices of the onions on there. Now we're going to place our lamb onto there just to make sure it won't get over brown from underneath. Some of the spice mix. Touch of the salt. And now our lamb goes on the top. Make sure to cover it properly. Bismillah. Finally, you want to cover it in a foil paper so it's nice and tight. Now this goes in a preheated oven at 150 Celsius. Make sure oven is preheated like I said. For the rice, soak them in water for at least half an hour and then wash and drain the excess water. For our rice, turn up the heat around medium-high with a good touch of oil. And when the oil is nice and hot in with your onions, mix and cook this until nice and golden brown. You can cover to soften them up a bit. And now with your garlic, mix and cook the rawness of the garlic. And now with our spice mix, some of these whole spices. Cook the rawness of those spices as well. You can always deglaze with a touch of water. With your chilies, good touch of salt. With your stock. I like a bit of the chickpea, so I'm just gonna throw that in. Now mix, cover, and bring this to simmer. And now when it starts to simmer, and with your soaked rice, give that a mix, and let this cook until there is some water left. These rice are gonna be amazing. So when there's some water left, place a clean kitchen cloth on the top, place your lid and let this steam up for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. Alright guys, let's check our rice. Bismillah. The rice looks delicious. Turn off the heat. Just give it a mix. Get rid of this. Come on. You can finish this off with a bit of the lemon. Perfect. Just adds a bit of the freshness, you know. I'm feeling a bit hungry. I'm just gonna have a little taste. Bismillah. It's so delicious. For our sauce with the onion, here with the fresh tomatoes, here with the roasted pepper, 1 green chili, you can add more if you like, fresh coriander, you can use parsley, zest of fresh lime, here with some of this lime juice, chipotle paste to add some of the smoky flavor, and a good touch of salt, touch of water, and now cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Alright, let's check our sauce. It smells amazing. Have a little taste. It's so refreshing. I want to pause this video because I need to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is Noom. A program that is trying to help improve your health and navigate your body using proven psychology and cognitive behavioral therapy practices. To be honest, we all have body issues whether you like it or not, whether you're diagnosed or not, and Noom is providing a new way to get healthy, and I'm a huge supporter of that mission. Noom is about behavioral change over the long term. Weight loss is part of it, but there is much more to it, because we know weight loss isn't the only metric to track your health. Noom helps you learn how your mind works and the why behind the decisions you make, and I truly believe that learning is how you can have a real lasting change. I've been using Noom for a while. It really helps me keep on track and motivated, and I love how I'm very familiar now with calorie densities of different foods, so I know that some foods are going to give you a lot of calories but not going to fill you up as much because they're super calorie dense. So like an apple and banana, it's going to fill you up with little calories as compared to peanut butter. I recently started training for 5k bike ride. It gets really confusing how much you should eat. You can easily not eat enough or eat way too much. With a giant food database, Noom has been very helpful in making this training a success by letting me log what I eat. I can also keep the track of my daily steps and the amount of water I'm drinking. Noom provides accountability, which I really love. Otherwise, I'm just free flowing through life like an idiot. It combines the power of technology with the empathy of real live human coaches. They provide little quizzes that they teach you along the way. It's super convenient. It takes like 10 minutes a day. Overall, I've been really impressed with simplicity and approach of Noom's program. It has been extremely helpful to navigate my way through this bike training. It has changed the way I think. It has changed me. I can say that very unambiguously and very genuinely. So if you want to really improve your health with proven psychology practices, then take your free 30-second quiz by going to noom.com/halalchef and get started today. Thank you Noom for supporting my channel and for sponsoring this video. Okay, now let's get back to cooking. Alright guys, our lamb is done. Let it rest for around 15 minutes before you open it. And the moment of truth. Bismillah. Look at that amazing lamb. Baste it with some of those juices. Alright guys, let's plate this up in with your rice. Bismillah. And with our lamb. And with some of these onions. And with our sauce. Amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. First of all, it smells amazing. Let's try the rice along with the sauce first. The rice are perfectly cooked. Bismillah. Perfect. Wow. So delicious. Oh man, those flavors are amazing. And the sauce is so refreshing. It goes perfectly with those rice. It is so good. Now let's try the start of this dish. Our amazing lamb. Bismillah. That is so delicious. It is so tender and nice and juicy. And the onions add a nice touch to this dish. Our slow cooked lamb and rice. What an amazing dish. Hope you guys gonna enjoy this recipe. Can we please get this video to 1000 likes? I would really appreciate it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom. Make for your dad. Make for your family. Enjoy.